So this is Lily's third session today. She came in, Mum and Dad saw that her neck wasn't turning as well one way. It was slightly restricted, so we're working through and checking her neck, checking her back and seeing if we can get some better movement and get things symmetrical again. The neck movement's really important because we don't want any flat spots occurring in the skull. If they favour one side with their neck, they tend to develop a flat spot and sometimes the skull changes shape as a result. There we go, Lily. There we go. How's that? Awesome, that's a bit better already. Better than last time. Just going to check through here. There we go. We're just looking for this movement and trying to even out the movement on both sides. Looking around, very alert today. There we go, I'm just going to work through the hips, see how they're feeling. Good. So what we're going to do now is just do a little banana stretch through here. There we go. She quite likes that. That's it. And so I find a little dance helps because they like movement. They like that up and down movement. I'll bring it back here for a little check of your middle back here. Ready? There we go, nice. Beautiful, awesome. Oh, little superstar. How was that? Well, let's check through the middle. So this is that guppy hold that I told you guys about. So we're gonna pull through here. This is a good one. We grab onto the back and we just let the head fall back. There we go. Sometimes they wriggle around a little bit as we're getting into that position. There we go. That's it, beautiful. Lovely. So the head should just drop back, which is a good sign that things have released nicely. There goes her mouth. You can see her mouth moving. It's a sign that she wants a little feed. There we go. Excellent. Alright. Beautiful. Good. Great. And so what we want to do at home is hold them on their tummy. They love being held and walked around like this. You can get little tasks done at home. At the same time, you can stretch their neck out. So you get onto Lily's neck and using that arm as a bit of a lever, you can stretch it over. And just like that, just a nice incidental way of stretching the neck both ways. There we go. That's it. That's it. And again, just a gentle stretch the other way. Yeah, that neck bones are moving a lot better now. Okay, happy adjusted baby. All right, thanks Lily.